guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this look for you. First of all, I'm going to start off with one of the Makeup Geek eyeshadows in Creme Brulee, and I'm going to buff that out into my crease as the transition colour. Natural Matte palette and the shade Honey Butter, and I'm blending that over where I did Creme Brulee, except a little bit lower, and doing windshield wipe motions just to make sure they both blend together nicely. Now taking a smaller brush, I'm using the shade Chocolate Cookie, and I'm bringing this lower than the other two shades and really focusing it in my crease area. When my eyes open, I want you to just be able to see the colour and blending that one out. To do my cut crease, I'm using the Macro Longwear Concealer in NC20, and I'm doing it the same as I did in my last video, putting it at my lash line, looking up so the concealer presses to just above my crease, so when I open my eyes you'll be able to see it, and then I'm blending all of that concealer out, and then I'll set it with the eyeshadows after. Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm taking the shade Honey Dipped, and I'm placing that one with a small definer brush on the inner corner of my eye. Now using this shade in the palette, which is a little bit more of a rose gold tone, I'm placing this one in the center of my lid with my finger. Now going back in with that same shade Chocolate Cookie, I'm using a fluffy brush and placing it on the outer side of my eye and blending it into the shimmer shade. Of my eyes, I'm using the Too Faced highlighter in the shade Blinded by the Light. And then for one of my favourite pairs of lashes, I'm using the Nikkia Joy Lashes in the style Nikkia. I really like these ones because I find they give you a little bit more of a natural look, and I'm also using the Kevin Aucoin Volumizing Mascara as well. Again, for my brows today, I'm using the same Ardell brow powders and placing that over my brows, just making them look a little bit darker at the end. Going on to my base, I'm pressing my MAC Fix Plus onto my Damp Beauty Blender and using Nars Sheer Glow, placing that all over my face and blending it out. I believe the shade I'm using today is Stromboli and Deauville mixed together. Then I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC20 to highlight my face. I'm using my Hourglass powder in Ethereal Light, just pressing it all over my face and really focusing it underneath my eye area. I also find it nice highlighting it on my nose a little bit and my forehead. I just think it gives your skin a really nice glow. outside my skin, I'm using the Hourglass Radiant Light Powder and just placing it over my cheeks, forehead, nose, and around my jawline. Blush today, I'm using this peachy shade from my Tarte blush wheel, and I'm placing it right on the apples of my cheeks and dragging it back into my bronzer. As always, I'm using the NYX Highlight and Contour Palette, using those first two shades blended together and really placing it along this area here on my nose and my forehead and my jawline. The Mecca Cosmetica Enlightened powder, and basically drowning my whole entire cheekbones with this, Cupid's bow, nose, my forehead a little bit, and my chin. And then I'm also putting a tiny bit of this underneath my brow bone and putting some in the inner corner of my eye as well. To finish off this look, I'm using Chocolate Dipped, and I'm placing that underneath my lower lash line and blending it out. And I'm also using one of the Hourglass lipsticks in I Believe I Want as my lipstick today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!